Align part B of the articulating bracket with the hole pattern labeled F on the flush mount. Attach part B of the articulating bracket to the flush mount using 4 number 8 1/2-inch self-tapping screws. Insert channel nuts into the Unistrut channel and position appropriately. Align part A of the articulating bracket with the Unistrut channel nuts and pass screws through the bracket component into the channel nuts. Tighten the screws to fix the bracket component into place. Align the assembly holes in part B of the articulating bracket with the threaded inserts in part A of the articulating bracket. Attach part A to part B using the M4 8mm flanged head screws. Adjust the bracket position if necessary and retighten. Pass Ethernet cables through the back of the flush mount. Provide enough cable length for a service loop to allow the anchor node to be removed and disconnected. Plug the Ethernet cables into the connectors on the anchor node. Align the anchor node backplate with the threaded bosses in the flush mount. Twist to adjust as needed and press them together. Attach the anchor node to the flush mount using the captive screws. Use a T20 drive set to 0.68 Nm or 6 inch-pounds of torque.